Hi, my name is Adnan Hasbi and I'd like to welcome you to this channel. In this episode, we're going to talk a little bit about how to get the referral code from your Rakuten Trade account. But before that, we're going to explore ways on how we can use our Rakuten points. To do that, let's scroll down over here on your Facebook page and click this button over here. And these are some of the promotions which Rakuten Trade is currently having right now. So if you want to see how we can change our Rakuten points, we can scroll even lower. Okay, so this is an example of what we can do with our Rakuten points. Over here, we can exchange 2,000 Rakuten points for some Bitcoins, so on and so forth. Having said that, we have to look at how long the promotion activity is running for. Chances are, if you are watching this episode on a later date, maybe this particular promotion would have ended. So, okay, let's get the referral code right now. And to do so, we have to log in our Rakuten platform. Once you have logged in your Rakuten platform, you can see the pages we can go to. We want to scroll towards the end, which says Rakuten Points. This button over here where my mouse is hovering at. Click that particular button. The next, we can see a bunch of options under the RT points. And over here, you want to scroll towards Referral, where my mouse is. Click that particular button. And over here, we have three options. The first option is to type our friend's name out and his email address. The second option is to share a unique link with your friend. Maybe you can email your friend. Or finally, we can share the unique code with our friend. So there are three options. Pick one which is most suitable for you. The next way we can share our Rakuten code is via our handphone. Over here, I've taken a screenshot of my handphone. And we have to tap this particular button over here, which says menu. And after we have tapped the menu button, we have to tap this particular area, which says Rakuten Trade Points. Tap anywhere over here. And once we have tapped that particular area, we have our referral code over here, which we can share with our friends. Okay, so that in a nutshell is how we can share our Rakuten referral code with our friends. I hope you enjoyed this episode and I hope you found it useful. With that, thank you so very much.